Hello guys, in this video we will compare Designrr and Sqribble, which is the two popular ebook creation tools, and I will help you to decide which is the best. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, user interface. Designrr offers a clean drag and drop interface with advanced customization for layout and formatting. On the other hand, Sqribble has a simpler UI which is suitable for quick ebook creation but with fewer customization options. Number 2, templates and flexibility. Designrr comes with 100 plus templates and lets you import from blog posts, PDFs, and even YouTube transcripts. While Sqribble is more focused on speed. You can create ebooks in just minutes, but it's less flexible in terms of editing. Number 3, export and branding. Designrr supports PDF, EPUB, Kindle, and HTML exports and allows or custom branding, while Sqribble mostly outputs in PDF and offers basic brand customization. Number 4, their pricing. Designrr offers a one-time fee with optional upgrades, and Sqribble also charges a one-time fee, often with upsells, but is generally more affordable. So for final verdict, if you want customization and multi-format exports, you can choose Designrr. And if you prefer speed and simplicity, you can go with Sqribble. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.